Hello, my name is Latoya, and today I'm going to show you how I take this planner kit and turn this happy planner from this to this. Keep watching. Hello, and welcome to Planning with Toya B. I'm Latoya. Here, the focus is Plan with Me's planner stickers, hauls, and reviews, as well as mommy hauls and reviews from time to time. Please join our fam. And don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. Now let's get started. If you're interested in the stickers used in this video, the card is linked above. Hello everyone. So today I am going to show you how I do my hourlies. So I'm just going to white out all of the different time items that I don't want and write down the date of the week so I know. Now this is our thick washi, and I'm going to use that ruler to just rip that up. So then I'm going to white out all the days, and here's where I'm using that days, dots, and weekends. So we're going to use a thin strip from the thin washi to do as like a little header and as a footer here. And then we're going to use the days. If you're interested in certain parts of the video, the timestamps are in the description. So about 2.5 weeks, and I like this better. It gives me the option to do more. Now I'm simply going to lay down the Monday through Friday and a little flag from the sampler, and then a tracker from a sideboard kit, and a checkbox from the sidebar kit, because remember I keep 2 sidebar kits, and I am pulling up all the excess because y'all, I'm very picky, and then try and keep that whole end nice and white and clear. And then I'm going to take one of these whiteouts. Now she doesn't sell these anymore, but to cover up that edge, and then I'm going to put down the kid budget. And then it was getting on my nerves, that little piece right there, because everything else is white, and then you got this little bit of color. It was driving me nuts. So I used my slice, cleaned it up, and then whited out the teeny tiny bit that was left. So again, I'm going to come over here and lay down the thin washi first on the top and on the bottom, and I don't cover up that quote. And then I simply go ahead and put in the days of the week and then the actual dates. So the 10th through the 13th. And once I have all of those down, I'm going to use that Hello Weekend right there. Since this sticker has a white border, it sticks out on top of the weekend. On top of the thick washi. And then I'm going to use that one, which was a part of the sampler, to kind of lay out, because I have an affirmation I do every week. We're going to put that affirmation right there. So now I'm just putting in my TV time, my manicure time, which as y'all can see I didn't do, grocery time, trash time. School is out, but we still read to the kids Monday through Friday. And then this is a new one that she has. It says either mommy daughter or mommy son. And I have 2 boys, so I got the mommy son one. And I try and use it in the boys' colors. And then calls I need to make throughout the course of the week. And some house cleaning and YouTubing that I need to do. Budget, and then she's got a new one as well called Get Outside. Praise the Lord for that sticker. And then meal planning and budget planning, getting my hair done, different little things. Oh, this is all my social media time I need to do throughout the course of the week. So I'm just putting it on here so I make sure that I allot that time. A little date night time, a little cooking again. And I need to go get some matters done for my car, wash some clothes. And I'm putting washing almost all the way across because we're decluttering this week, for real, for real. And now I'm just putting in my workout time and my to-dos. The boys are going to get vitamins, water, bedtime, and outside time. Now these she doesn't sell per se anymore. As the 2020 goes away, these I think are going away with them. But as a happy planner, I love these, and I use these for my affirmation on this page and for family time on the dashboard layout. So then I discovered, well, if I'm gonna use orange there, I might as well use orange everywhere else. So I started erasing the pencil and rewriting it with orange, because I felt like orange was a better color. Because that color is not really orange, it's more peach, but orange works. So now I'm simply looking for a couple of other things to put on there. So that's another workout time, so I have those done. Now, if you know from Happy Planner, they don't do hourly anymore. They have this new kit. So we're going to take the thin washi called Goals. They have a new kit, and that new kit includes this. So a lot of people have been trying to figure out what the devil they're going to do with these other pages. So I'm going to show you what I do with the pages. That's one of the reasons why I got the dates and the dots, is because all of those little dots are going to fill up the right hand side of the page. Had to think about it, y'all. So I'm just covering up the little bubbles, and I'm going across with the remaining thin washies, kind of like little headers here. And this helps me to just distinguish it, give it a little color on this page. So now, as you can see, one of the thin washies is completely gone, and the thick washi is completely gone. So now I'm going to use the scallops. On the dashboard, the scallops is my mood tracker, but here I use it as a header, so visually I don't necessarily pay attention to the colors that are on there. The colors are not intrusive. It's a very light lavender, but this just helps. And then it gives me something to put my headers on. So we're going to put personal and workout, social media, and work. And then over here, we're going to put breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner. So the left-hand side is basically notes and things that I need to do, but the right-hand side I call the weekly meal report. And as you can see, I'm going to start using those extra dots. So now I'm going to use the dates, dots, and weekends stickers. These are the dots, and we're just going to simply put these all the way down the meal weekly report. And my meal weekly report is just a synopsis of what my kids actually eat. So I make a meal plan and for all of these different meals, and then what I do is write like shorthand, and then I red mark through anything they don't eat. So here I'm just breaking up with the dots when I'm walking and when I am working out, and then some social media items. And then I'm gonna take the clip art and just be a little decorative. If this is adding any value and helping you in any way, to like and subscribe. Check out Planning with Toya B on my IG to get more planning and inspirational content. And that's all we have for this one. Thanks so much. Remember, you are exactly where you need to be today. Bye-bye now. If you'd like to see more, please click the links here and here. Thanks again.